welcome back to my channel at Leasia's Life. In today's video, we're going to be showing my everything shower routine / my Sunday night routine. This is the routine that I do every single Sunday, and of course sometimes the products will be different, but it's pretty much structured the same exact way every Sunday. And I also want to note that I did do a few things off camera, and there's some things that I didn't do at all this week. So I didn't show myself washing my hair. I didn't show myself brushing my teeth. I definitely brushed my teeth. I also didn't show myself shaving, which I don't shave. So you won't probably ever see that from me. I also would like to let you all know in advance, this is a silent vlog. I decided not to talk during this vlog because I really wanted to just wind down and relax. But I definitely added captions and descriptions for some of the products. I'm really excited for you all to see this vlog today. I feel like this is the beginning of me stepping into hygiene content. That's something that's really important to me, and I know there's a lot of young women out there who need that guidance or need advice when it comes to that particular area in their life. So I'm definitely going to make more videos here on out about hygiene, specifically about hygiene. But I hope that the products in this video can help some women, or they go and get the products and they love them as well as much as I love them. But I'm excited for you all to see this vlog, and I do want you all to let me know in the comments what do you want to see from me in the future, or any questions that you have about this YouTube video. Thank you so much. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video.